I am so excited to share that Norwex has just launched a flash sale. It starts now and runs through January 21st, 2025 at noon Central Time or while supplies last, because these actually might go pretty fast. So these aren't only practical, but they are eco-friendly. They're safe for our skin, our hair, and our overall health, right? So we can reduce some of those chemicals. So I'm going to dive in. I'm going to show you these two amazing kits, show you what you get, how much they are, all the fun things. So the first one is the Fresh Face Essentials Kit. This kit, in my opinion, has everything you need to kickstart your skincare routine. It has products that are designed to cleanse, hydrate, and simplify our lives. So I'm going to break it down. So this right here, these are the dual-sided makeup removers. So I'm going to show you up close. You actually get 5 of these dual-sided makeup remover cloths. These are incredible. Very fluffy on one side, great for cleansing the face and neck, or removing foundation, contour, things like that. And then the other side is this suede-like material to cleanse your eyes, removes eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. They honestly remove all traces of makeup just using water. Imagine replacing 730 single-use wipes with just these. They come in this nice little carry bag and also a mesh laundry bag, so no lost socks when we wash these with the rest of our Norwex. This kit also comes with the lip hydration. This is not lip balm or chapstick. It is skincare for your lips. It's a leave-on treatment packed with shea butter, mango butter, Nordic antioxidants. It deeply hydrates and protects our lips. It's perfect to wear day or night. I really like using this as an overnight mask. It is truly skincare for your lips. Fun fact, the lips do not produce their own hydration, so we have to give them some. When I wear this, especially at night, I'll put it on a little bit thicker, and I like to overline my lips slightly to help prevent those fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. Also get the corners. These are just great. So this Fresh Face Kit is just $52.69, which is 20% off the retail price for the two of $65.98. So a really good deal. You're saving 20%. And if you have girls in the house, there's enough of those dual-sided makeup removers to share. The second kit that's on flash sale is the Glow on the Go kit. Now, this is an ultimate travel companion or a great way to try our shampoo and conditioner. So this kit comes with a trio of our beautiful limited edition body and face cloths. I love these. Also the shampoo and conditioner. These have been my favorites for probably 4 years. I've been using the shampoo and conditioner. They have 0 harmful chemicals, healthy for us, gives us shiny hair. They're made with Nordic antioxidants like juniper and red algae to nourish our scalp, as well as the strands of our hair. Plus, they're gentle enough for color-treated hair. They're fine for curly, straight, you name it. The body and face cloths have always been my favorite. They're ultra soft microfiber cloths. They clean our skin with just water. Really good for sensitive skin and perfect for your face and your whole body. I love that this size specifically is really great to travel with. And it helps eliminate the need for harsh soaps or cleansers, just packing a lot of stuff, right? But I also have one of these hang in my shower for daily use. Also, the second set comes with this travel pouch in the sea glass color, and it keeps everything nice and packed up. And while you're traveling, I love being organized. I'm an organizing fool. So this is a nice little kit. The kit itself is $34.29, and it's actually 20% off the retail value for all of these items of $42.97. So you get it all for $34.29, which I think is a great deal. Especially as we travel, we want to travel light. These are TSA approved sizes, so they're great if you like to travel with just a carry-on. Both of these kits, in my opinion, they're great. They're game changers. And here's really a couple reasons why I like them. And I personally think they're amazing. They're eco-friendly, reusable, sustainable products. We don't have to keep purchasing these things over and over and over again. Even the lip hydration lasts me forever, which helps reduce waste, saves me money. Plus, they're safe. They're safe for us. My granddaughters like to use this. They're free from harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, all the nasty stuff. I do like that both of these sets are travel ready, compact, organized, and really designed for busy lifestyles or maybe traveling this spring and summer. Just really nice addition to our travel companions, right? So whether you're pampering your skin or maybe you want to refresh your hair routine and give these a try, both of these two kits I feel like make our day easier, cleaner, and safer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment if you have any questions. I would love to answer them, and I'll see you again real soon. But warning, don't wait, because both of these two kits, they're only available until January 21st at noon Central Time or while supplies last. And these have always been really big sellers at Norwex, so they probably won't last until the 21st. So if you do want them, you might want to grab them before they're gone. So I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.